Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have understand pseudo variable, pseudo versus mutability and scope of pseudo variables. Now we are going to understand how to declare string variables in Rust. So there are two ways to declare string data type, by using literal and by using string object. So both we are going to understand here. So once again I try to create a new project. I say cargo new class number 19 and I say string cd class number string, and again I open this and now try to do. So I say let name equal to, so if I declare like this Dr. Vipin classes, then automatically it will be convert as a string literal, and here I display the value of name and I say string literal name. Okay, so you see automatically we have a @str, so this is string literal, and I try to execute it. I say cargo run, and you will see that string literal name equal to, and we say name equal to, once again I try to execute it, name equal to Dr. Vipin classes. This is the way to declare. We can declare like this also, name equal to this, and here we can specify the data type is str, like this way. Remember that. So if I declare data type like this and this way, that is called string literals. Remember that, same output. Now if I declare the variable by different way, so I say here let, I say name1 for example, and I say this is from the string dot new, like this. That means I am creating a new object of string name, and remember that if I make a copy of this and I print here 1, so I say it is a string object, remember, and if I execute it, second one will be empty because there is no value initialize it. So I can initialize this value later on. I say name equal to, I say Dr. Vipin Tevatia, like this. You see that it's showing error. Why? Because it's not a literal. By passing the value like this, it's a string literal, and this is the declaration of this variable, but it is not like this. We have to use the object. I say string, remember I say string, I say from, like this I have to initialize this, remember, and this is not a immutable, this is I have to declare as a mutable also. Why? Because it's a empty, I am not passing any value, then I am modifying the value, that's why I have to declare like this. Now try to execute it. You see we have this, but in place of this I can declare it like that also. So I remove it like this, I declare it like this. Now I can remove it, no need of this. So it's a string data type, so I say here string, like this. Remember, in place of this I can declare it as a string, and then I can pass a value. Once again I try to execute, done, and I can do like this also, no need to do this. So I can do like that also in a single line, and I can declare this value also if I want to declare. So I can declare it like a string and I can pass this string, and I can remove it also because automatically it will understand the string, same way. And I run it once again, you see same we have, and we have different methods also for this. Suppose we have here, if I check upper, you see two uppercase, so because it's a string, so I can do like this also. You see in uppercase we can display, in lowercase we can display, we can replace. So there are so many functions available here. If I put dot here, so I have bytes to convert into byte mutable, then str to convert in string literals, then char, clear, contain. So there are so many, find something you want to find in this, get. There's length of this, you want to display length of this. You see if I say length of the string, so there are so many functions are available. You see 16 is the length. So like this way we can use multiple values also from this string, class, because it's using as a string object and it is as a string literal. So we can convert this string literal to string class, and we can also convert from a string class to string literal. So there are different methods are available. You can research yourself. This is the class only to understand the difference between literals and the string objects. I think you understand now. So more experiment like concatenation of a string, then uppercase, lowercase, reverse of a string. There's so many operations we can perform in string. Inbuilt functions are available in Rust also, so you can use those also. So I think you understand now better what is the string data types available in Rust. If you like it, if you understand this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.